Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a funding company, Funding Pips. So basically, we will talk about the different accounts that they are offering, the different platforms that they have, and what are the different terms and conditions for the passing these different accounts. So we will talk about everything. And so without wasting any time, let's get started. So as we can see, we are on the Funding Pips website at the moment. And so we have to scroll down a bit in order to come to this section. So once we come here, we can find out that here we have two types of platform which basically they are offering. So as we can see here, we have the match trader and they have the C trader. So basically you have to choose any of these two platforms. So like once you get funded, which platform you want to trade on. So based on that, you have to choose one of these platforms. So depending upon what platform you choose, so here we can see that if we are selecting the match trader, we have the different accounts starting from the $5,000 to $100,000. So like if we go to C trader, we can see same, we have the all the same account from $5,000 to $100,000. So basically whatever platform you choose, we have the accounts from $5,000 to $100,000. So like if we scroll down a bit to the downside, we can find out that once we basically select the platform and the account which we want, I mean, we want the $5,000 account or $100,000 account. After that, we have to see or basically come to these sections, which is like the evaluation stage. As you can see here, we have the evaluation stage and we have the funded stage. So in the evaluation stage, we have basically we have these conditions, or you can say phase one and phase two, right? So phase one, they are calling it as a student, and phase two, they are calling it as a practitioner. And once you become a funded trader, then they're calling it as a master. So now let's talk about the phase one and phase two. So here we can see we have the different conditions here. So first of all, we have the trading period. In phase one and phase two, we have the unlimited days to pass phase one and phase two, as we can see here, right? After that, if we talk about the minimum trading days are the zero. So basically there are no number of days to pass phase one and phase two. So if you want, you can pass both phase one and phase two on the first day as well, right? If we talk about the maximum daily loss, that is a 5% on both phase one and phase two. And if we talk about the maximum loss, that is going to be 10% on phase one and phase two. The profit target is going to be 8% on the phase one and 5% on the phase two. If we talk about the leverage, it's going to be 1:100. So these are the conditions, you can say, evaluation phase or the challenge phase. And once you become a funded trader, then we are going to follow all these conditions. So here we can see that the trading period, I mean, you can trade as long as you want. If you talk about the maximum daily loss, that is going to be 5%. If you want to stay funded, maximum loss is going to be 10%, and the leverage is going to be 1:100. So these are the conditions we have to follow if you want to stay funded, right? So this is the detail. And like if you are taking $100,000 account, then you have to pay $399. And if you are taking like $50,000 account, you have to pay $239. And if you're looking for $25,000 account, then you have to pay $139. And for $10,000 account, you have to pay $60. And for $5,000 account, you have to pay $32. So that's it, guys. This was a small video on the funding pip prop firm. I hope you enjoyed the video and found some value in this video. So thank you very much. See you in another video.